In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and automation tools like Zapier or Make to build a seamless AI workflow that cleans up your project management across different apps. We have all experienced that moment when we quickly jot down a messy note or receive a rambling email that needs to be turned into a clear task. By the time you get around to organizing it, you have often lost the momentum. The breakthrough happens when you use Claude as an intelligent middleman. To get started, you will set up a workflow where the first step is your incoming data, such as a Slack message or a simple text note. For the second step, you will choose the Claude module in your automation platform. Inside the prompt box for Claude, you must paste a very specific template to ensure the output is perfect every time. You will tell Claude to analyze the raw text from your first step and strip out all small talk, conversational filler, and typos. You are essentially asking the AI to act as a professional editor that transforms messy thoughts into a highly professional and action-oriented task description. To keep your project board organized, you will instruct Claude to output the response in two clear parts. The first part is a short title under 7 words, and the second part is a clean list of the core requirements. This structure allows you to map the results directly into your favorite task manager like Trello or Asana without any manual editing. It saves hours of administrative work and keeps your team focused on the actual execution.